Hi, Everton, welcome to the Marketing Statistic course once again. In this video we shall generate a random number in Microsoft Excel. Suppose that you wanted to take a random sample of 5 of your company's 32 salespeople using Excel so that you could interview these 5 salespeople about their job satisfaction at your company. To do that, you need to define a sampling frame. Quote, a sampling frame is a list of people from which you want to select a random sample. This frame starts with the identification code ID of the number 1 that is assigned to the name of the first salesperson in your list of 32 salespeople in your company. The second salesperson has a code number of 2, the third a code number of 3, and so forth until the last salesperson has a code number of 32. Since your company has 32 salespeople, your sampling frame would go from 1 to 32 with each salesperson having a unique ID number. We will first create the frame numbers as follows in a new Excel worksheet.
To generate a random number, first of all we have to write this frame number and duplicate frame number in the next column, and press 1 in this first column, and then Excel has a command series. Look at this. In 2007 you can find series here in the editing tab, on the home tab in the editing group. I want to draw this up to 34. Column. Okay, so what I did, it is printed from 1 to 34 number, and the same thing we would like to do here. Write 1 and go to series, select column and 34. Okay, we got it. Now we got 2 columns this way, and here is the random number. How to make a random number? You can see this is the ID of the employees of your company, from which you would like to select 5 people randomly, but you want to select it really randomly. Otherwise you can manually select this 1 and 2 and 3 and 4 and 5, so you want these people. But there is a function in Microsoft Excel which we can use to generate random number. Press equal. Random Rand is the shortcut of random number. We have to give range. Select this. I'm selecting this column because after we get a random number, we'll see that this column will be untouched. We can see that these IDs are in the serial number, and this column will change and Excel will generate a random number. And when we after we generate a random number, then we'll select it. To select the rand function again, this, and give the close parenthesis like this. Now it is generated a random number. Now we would like to drag it to the end of this sample. These are the random number generated by Microsoft Excel automatically. Now we are going to select these 2 columns and to custom sort them. Sort by random number, smallest to largest, rest is okay, and click OK. Now you can see that nine number is given. Before here was 1, and we can see that randomly these people are selected. If we sort them from smallest to largest or from largest to smallest, so we can select these 5 people. I have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, or we can select here 5 people, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So this is not 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, but they are 2, 15, 24, 17 and 18, like this. So guys, this was the method to generate a random number. Since that we are doing a marketing statistic, and in this course we will be making such frame number, and then we will be selecting a random sample for our analysis. So this is why it was necessary to learn this in Microsoft Excel to make this serial number as fast as possible. So this is now the method of generating random number. Now what we did, to repeat, we have created this random number by keeping our point in this on this cell where 1 is written, and then you go in the home tab, and then you come here and select a series. Select series, and you want this series to 15 or maybe to 50, because the series is already there. Maybe it's work or not work, I'm testing it. So the random number has changed, but since we did not change this, you see it has created 50 numbers in the row wise. We want to press Ctrl Z. We want to give again a new series range up to 50, but I forgot in the last time to select this column. Now click OK. Now you see that this range is going to 50. I hope you like this video, guys, and don't forget to share and subscribe my videos, as we are scheduled to complete this course and we have a lot to do. So see you in the next video. Bye bye.